The Spirit of Jesus lives in every believer, and he'll never go away. Where we go, he goes. And why is he in us? Many reasons. The first being, he is your life, literally. You will stay saved as long as Jesus stays alive. He also there to teach you more about who you are as a righteous saint. You, Christians, are a holy, righteous saint. All of us are evenly because of the cross. He's there to comfort us, to guide us. Yes, every moment by moment. To teach us grace, but most of all, to make sure that we understand how much he loves us. Enjoy Jesus today and live. Yes, enjoy Jesus today and live him out through your hands, feet, and mouth. Because where you go, he's always with you. So the Spirit of Jesus lives in every believer, and he'll never go away.